size this as long as we don't publicize
Okay.
the sun.
Go ahead. Want to explain it? Go ahead.
This is a GE Master 2, 35-year-old technology. Still the best stuff out there, if you ask me. No microprocessor of any kind. Just old-fashioned solid state.
Okay.
This is the exciter. Here's the local oscillator. And in the 1970s, when GE came out with their crystal temperature compensating device, they called it an ICOM, I-C-O-M, for, they didn't ask me to remember this, oh my goodness, I-C-O-M.
Well, I know the C and O is crystal oven, isn't it?
Crystal oscillator.
Crystal oscillator module. It's a module.
Acronym.
I think it's independent crystal oscillator module.
That's it, independent crystal oscillator module. I used to know that and I forgot. That is right. Okay, and then later on, we're off topic just a little bit here. Later on, I see this radio advertised, this whole radio, and it says ICOM on it. When the company, ICOM, went into business, I think sometime in the 80s. A little bit of confusion when we first heard the name ICOM. Anyways, back on focus here. This is the crystal oscillator. This is the multiplier stages. The output of the exciter, about 150, 180 in that ballpark milliwatts, into the power amp. There's a 110 watt amplifier. It's throttled back to about 80 watts, somewhere in that ballpark, where it runs at its maximum efficiency. The output of the PA, the rest is back in the back, into the duplexer, output of the duplexer here into the antenna. And receive-wise, the preamp's on the back, the upshift on the back.
What's that red button?
Oh.
Don't ever push
that. That is the ejection seat.
Ah! For the Aston Martin.
That's the one where it says, Mr. Phelps, if you choose to accept this mission, you know, destroy it in the normal fashion. You press the red button, everything goes up in
Okay,
smoke.
the receiver,
Okay.
the hose from the duplexer and the preamp comes in here. This is the receiver front end. This is the crystal oscillator, the multiplier stages, the first mixer and IF circuitry, and here's the low IF, here's the audio amplifier here, which will drive the local speaker. If it was a mobile radio, it's the same exact drawer in a mobile radio, and that drove the speaker on the mobile or the station. Repeat audio actually comes out, I don't know which wire, but it comes out on these connectors into the controller. The Lincoln controller is right there, which processes audio, etc., 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 feeds it back again through this little wire right here into the exciter, and there you go. There's a repeater.
The repeater is very clean. Was this in service in some other function recently?
This
Some other?
radio was pulled out of public safety, commercial service. Oh,
It did have a lot of dust.
it had dust on it. It's 7 or 8 years ago. It was pulled out of commercial public safety service.
Well, it certainly looks very well cleaned up.
And the only thing that was added was the fans on the PA and, of course, the OEM audio, repeat audio board and all that, which was in here. All this was disabled, and except for local speaker audio and the push-to-talk light, everything was disabled, so if you go through the link.
Okay. And it's in service as of right now.
As of about 1,400 hours on September 7th, 2010.
There's only one more thing we need to do, Dougie.
One more thing we gotta do.
What's that?
Reflective power up, reflective power.
Gotta go get a bird.
Like that, it's sitting in my truck.
I got my bird.
Did I bring you? Oh, it's right here.
Alrighty.
I'll put the cover back on.
Let me end this video and we'll start another one.